Hey, Desmond here again, and today we're gonna do another unboxing, and this unboxing video is gonna be a little bit different. This is something that is not what most people would do. I don't think you can find a lot of these videos online, but recently we just got back from Cupertino. Cupertino, if you do not know, it's where Apple was from. That's where the headquarters is, and we got to visit some really cool Apple places and Apple stores, and I want to share with you what we got. Now, I'm a big Apple fan if you have not figured that out yet. In fact, I've got two of their phones right here. This is the new phone and this is the older phone, and I even got their computers, and I've been using Apple computers for probably close to over a decade. So I like their products and I like how they do their marketing, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you what I also got from the Apple store from Cupertino. Now, first thing first, there's a few things that I want to share with you. This is Apple Pen. Okay, now don't get me wrong, this is not the digital stylus pen. This is what they call a gold ballpoint pen, and this is a rose gold ballpoint pen. Now, so one of these is open, one of these is unopened. I'm going to open this a bit later to show you, but essentially this is the rose gold version. Okay, the rose gold version. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to open the rose gold version to show you how it goes. Okay, it looks something like this. There's a barcode, just really simple. You don't have any Apple branding or anything of that sort. I believe they partner up with a pen company to make this product, and you can only get this product in the Cupertino Apple store. You cannot get this elsewhere, right? So you open it like that, and there you go. Right inside, it's the Apple ballpoint pen. So they've partnered up with a company called Retro, and you can get the refills and stuff like that. Now, what I really like about the Apple pen is that it's very heavy, and I like heavy pens. Okay, I've owned a couple of Mont Blancs, and this is as heavy as a Mont Blanc pen. Okay, but definitely it does look a bit cheaper because of the branding, I guess, the Apple and stuff like that. However, this pen feels very high quality. You twist it open like that, and you pretty much really have a good grip on it, and then you put it back like that, and it goes back in like that. Apple products, they have one thing that is very similar to a lot of luxury brands. Now, the moment you buy an Apple product, you try to open the box, you're gonna feel something when you open the box. Here's what I mean, right? When you open up the box, you can kind of have this feeling of suction. Okay, it's very hard to explain, but if you've got an Apple product before, like an iPhone, iPad, or even a Mac, when you open up the box, it has the same feeling. Let me show this to you again closely. I'm gonna put it next to my mic so you can hear it. Yeah, it might be a little bit hard for the mic to pick up the sound, but what I mean is that it has a suction feeling. Now, if you're a businessman, if you're a marketer, you need to understand that this is very important. If you're doing some sort of packaging, see how you can incorporate something like this, a suction feeling to it, because this is what a lot of luxury products are doing, right? Luxury products are Audemars Piguet, right? Luxury products are Rolex. At the moment you open up the box, you have the same exact feeling, and this is what Apple does, right? Now I'm gonna open up this brand new gold ballpoint pen. So this is my brand new gold ballpoint pen. I like gold color, so I'm just gonna peel it off like that, right? And I'm just gonna get rid of these plastics, right? Just like that. And same thing, as I always say, there's a suction feeling to it. And this is the gold pen. Looks absolutely amazing. Very heavy, very high quality. It feels, the metal feels like the metal for your computer, right? And at the back of your phone, the same metal feeling, and that's what I really like about it. So if you leave it under the AC, the aircon, it does feel really good, right? If you're an Apple fan, definitely go to the Apple Cupertino store and get yourself a pen like this. It's really nice feeling to holding a great pen like that. Check it out, it's pretty good. Now, besides these pens, I've also got a bunch of t-shirts only available in Apple stores in Cupertino. So let me just get these open so that you can see how it's like. There you go. We've got a bunch of these. You can't really see what they look like inside, but they're here like this, kind of like a small pizza box. Okay. Apple box, always high quality, as you can see, right? Think about it. When was the last time you buy a t-shirt, right? The last time you bought a t-shirt, did they package it like this, right? Did they put it into a box like this? So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna unbox one of them. Actually, I'm gonna pick one. Okay, I'm not gonna spend time to unbox all of them. I'm gonna pick one that I really like. This one here is a simple black and neon blue 100% cotton outline Apple logo t-shirt. Okay, as you can see here. So if you want to get one of these Apple t-shirt, the only way you can get it is if you go to Cupertino in California and you go to the Apple store at the Apple headquarters to get this. Okay, I'm gonna open this out. Now this one here does not have a suction feeling, right? I know they like to do the suction feeling, but it's just sitting in there like this, nicely in the bag, as you can see. Okay, why did we buy the Apple t-shirt? Is it a waste of money? Now, if you're an Apple fan, I think this is gonna be something really good, like a gift to someone who really like Apple products. In terms of quality, in terms of looks, let me just open this up for you to see. This is an S size, right? Is it nice? I think so, right? I think so. But is it worth the price? Let me see how much did we pay for it. This is $40, right? Is it worth $40? I don't think so. But if you like Apple, if you want something to give away to a friend of yours or someone that you know who really like Apple products, I think instead of buying them a new phone and buying them a new computer, this is a great alternative if you ever visit the Cupertino Apple store, right? So I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing and quick review video. If you're asking me which one is of a better value, the pen is $35. The shirt, the t-shirt is $40. I would say the pen has a higher value. It's something that you can use, something that feels good in your hands, something that is perfect. I think it's a ballpoint pen, right? The t-shirt wise, there are better options out there, like the emoji versions that we saw, but we wanted something simple, classic, so that we can put on a blazer over it and still look really good. So if I am to only buy one, I would get the pen. But the shirt, if you're a big Apple fan and if money is not a concern to you, get the shirt as well. You want to get it because this is sort of like a special boutique gift from Apple.